the extremely dynamic and growing electronics industry, you need to be very flexible and able to react quickly to new requirements. The market needs production solutions for ever smaller and more powerful electronic components, as well as digital, easily adaptable and traceable processes. Smart is the key word in all areas of our life. Our vision for the electronics industry. Together with our customers, we develop highly efficient production equipment which is perfectly tailored to the challenges of the market and significantly increases the performance of the end products. Our production solutions stand for maximum flexibility, consistently high product quality, and 100% precision. The basis for this is our decades of experience in highly integrated assembly processes, automation, as well as laser processing and wet chemistry. Reliably checked and monitored by integrated measuring and inspection systems. We are pioneers for new technologies, such as 2 and 3D, as well as functional digital printing, and integrate these technologies into our system concepts for mass production. The focus is always on our customers and their success. The combination of our core competencies and technologies is the basis for our extensive product portfolio for the electronics industry. Electronic components, such as displays and touchscreens, as well as an innovative packaging solution for microchips. Printed circuit boards and semiconductors. Solutions for the production of power electronics and consumer electronics, such as smartwatches, wearables, notebooks, and the integrated battery technology. Manz stands for High Development and Consulting Skills, for the development of tomorrow's solutions, for progress and future-oriented action. We are your competent and international partner. We offer a wide range of solutions along the complete value chain. With a partner network at our side, we ensure that our customers are optimally equipped for the challenges of the future. From the idea, to the concept, to the fully integrated production. That is our approach. Manz, engineering tomorrow's production.